Hello again. Okay, we're on page 41 and we're talking about animals. It says write facts about one or more of these animals. Again, we have compound words. There are two words make them into one. Rattlesnake, swordfish, and firefly. I decided to write about just the firefly. So I am only going to write about just the firefly. But it says write facts about one or more of these animals. I think you should probably pick one because we're going to use that tabletop strategy to do this. So I think one might help you, but you decide what you want to do, okay? So let's just read this real quick, okay? A rattlesnake is a reptile. It sheds its skin and it hisses and rattles. A swordfish is an ocean fish. It slashes prey with a sword and it eats squid. An insect, a firefly, is an insect. It has 6 legs and it glows yellow, green, or orange. Okay, and since I picked this one with these facts, or interesting facts, I'm going to take my tabletop strategy. The topic is insects. The main idea or introduction is fireflies are interesting bugs. My first detail is, first, a firefly is an insect. Second, it has 6 legs. Third, a firefly glows yellow, green, or orange. In conclusion, a firefly is an interesting bug. Okay? So, now that I have my tabletop filled in, I'm going to write my paragraph. Alright. Now my paragraph starts off by an indent. We indent a paragraph. That means we're going to have like 2 finger spaces before we start writing. Okay, our introduction. Fireflies are interesting bugs. First, a firefly is an insect. Second, it has 6 legs. Third, a firefly glows yellow, green, or orange. In conclusion, a firefly is an interesting bug. Okay, friends. Thank you so much. I will be looking for an indentation of your paragraph. I will be looking for capital letters at the beginning of a sentence. I'm going to look for periods at the end of a sentence. I'm also going to look for good handwriting. So make sure that you have some good handwriting. Okay, kiss your brain. You're amazing, excellent writers. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work.